All right, and my last question for you, why would a Foundry employee need to learn about SPC if they already have a software package that can do this for them?
Well, I think probably the most embarrassing thing is to have results out of a software package that can't be explained. we
Mhm.
we want, as professionals and as people of high integrity, to understand the results and how they were obtained in out of a software package, but also software packages, specifically statistical software packages, assume a underlying distribution that is what we would know is a nice symmetric bell-shaped curve.
Mhm.
But many Foundry processes do not generate nice bell-shaped curves. They generate skewed distributions or other types of distributions that you need to do special things with the software in order to properly handle, or sometimes you need to do some paper and pencil work to understand what to do because the software package doesn't have the ability to deal with it. Another aspect is unilateral tolerances are often not handled well by statistical packages unless
Mhm.
the user understands the tricks, so to speak. And so having an ability to appreciate the fundamentals of SPC enables one to fully utilize the capabilities of a software package and also understand their limitations.
Got it. Well, I am so looking forward to your class in a few weeks, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks so much, Ted.
That'd be great. Thanks.